Hello everyone, welcome to Ramit Engineering Works. This is our new product launch. It's soldering tray that is purely handmade by me. So here we have soldering iron stands we placed in it. So here we have a wide voltage regulator soldering iron base and the tip of here placed. This is the working area for soldering. All the slots are for screws and all the four gauges. These are for brushes and all these fours, erasers and all the materials like flux, liquid flux or for any other materials. So if we have removed any screws, then place it here and the workpiece is placed here. So this is very easy to use tool in your workshop. So if you ever in future interested in this type of products, you can contact at my numbers. You can see on screen. This is beautiful soldering tray. So here the thickness is 19 mm and this is purely waterproof product. So if you ever interested, then contact at my numbers. Thank you very much for your appreciation. And next to it, we use these trays and see what it uses in the future. Thank you very much. So here's the demo of this soldering tray. So here we place the soldering iron in this soldering stand of this tray, and here's the stabilizer for that and the knob here. Here we have battery for any type of testing, 3.5 volts, and here's the bits that is of any shapes, that is for this screwdriver. So we have to place this bit in this type of screwdriver like that and place here in it. Here we have all type of tweezers in this tray, and here's the brush for any debris in the motherboards. Here we have a liquid flux here, and here's the screws that is disassemble the workpiece from here. Here we have the wires for soldering. Here we have the soldering and super glue for any plastic joints, and here we have the IP solution. Here we have another slot for screws. Here we have for electrical tape and its miscellaneous components. Here's miscellaneous tools. Here's we have the gauges and our lens, magnifying lens. Here we have slot for liquid flux or jelly flux, that is gravity at 12 mm below the surface. Here we have the soldering paste or soldering wire. So let us suppose we have a workpiece like that. It's a DDR4 motherboard. As you can see, first we place it in the work area. Here it's universal for all the motherboards and for all the mobiles motherboards. So here workpiece is placed in this tray. So let us suppose we have to change this little capacitor or this type of jacks. So we flip it upside down. So we have to desolder it with our soldering iron and then make a contact with the capacitor and remove that capacitor. Place it in any of these slots like here and like here or here from here. So if we have to decrease the temperature, we have to decrease the temperature from here, and for instant temperature decrease we have to place it in here, and this is for training purposes. So after changing the capacitor, we have to place this tray here, and this thing makes your life easier for any soldering purpose, and this is beautiful gift for your younger ones. So if you anyone like these products, you can contact at my numbers. So here's our new product launch. You can comment me for this. Here is a pictorial view of this tray. This is final arrangement from my side. You can make whatever changes you want as you wish. Thank you for watching. It's beautiful soldering tray from Ramit Engineering Works. Thank you for watching.